It's been so long since I finally found a meaningful life. That's when I met the Son of God. Now I won't be afraid, for He's holding my hand. He brought me to His haven of rest. I know when I'm to the mountain, that's where my soul longs to be. There I'll walk with my Father, my Lord and King, and I'm so blessed of heaven. He made my life. What a privilege for me to walk with the saints. And as we walk together, I just can't explain how my soul is turning to joy. Those words that He said to me changed my life completely. In His presence, I know I never walk alone. No, I have nothing to offer but this life of mine. Though I know I'm not worthy of Him, but as I look through His eyes, there's a song that I hear that tells me He loves me still. I'm going up to the mountain. That's where my soul longs to be. There I'll walk with my Father, my God, and He ikot sa